Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Balloon Arch Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting ways to elevate any celebration, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary party backdrops with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to create memorable events. Number 5. Chamvis Adjustable Balloon Arch Kit. Get ready to elevate your celebrations with our complete party package. It includes everything you need for stunning decorations, ensuring your event is unforgettable. Crafted with high-quality materials, this arch stand is built for durability. Its sturdy design ensures it remains stable, even with gentle breezes or accidental bumps. Easily adjust the height and width to fit your space perfectly. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 2 minutes to set up your impressive balloon arch. From birthdays and weddings to baby showers and holidays, this versatile kit is ideal for any celebration. Let your creativity shine as you design your dream backdrop. We've meticulously designed this product with your satisfaction in mind. Enjoy a seamless and delightful decorating experience for all your special events. What we like. This kit offers a highly adjustable arch, allowing you to customize the height and width for your specific needs. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, even outdoors. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable arch that's quick to set up for any event, this is a great choice. What people say. The balloons were very easy to inflate and assemble. The arch held up well throughout the entire event, even with some wind. It was a great value for the price and looked professional. Number 4. Amandir Burgundy Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning balloon garland arch kit, perfect for any celebration. It includes a generous amount of balloons in beautiful burgundy, pink, and gold tones, along with essential tools to create a breathtaking display. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons are durable and can be filled with air or helium. They are rigorously tested to ensure a premium feel and appearance for your event. This kit is incredibly versatile, ideal for birthdays, weddings, bridal showers, graduations, and Valentine's Day. Create a romantic and festive atmosphere effortlessly. We've included everything you need to assemble a gorgeous balloon arch. The kit comes with an arch strip, glue dots, a tying tool, and ribbon, making the process quick and easy. Elevate your party with a stunning, organic-looking balloon arch. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and create unforgettable memories for you and your guests. Please be aware that uninflated or broken balloons can be a choking hazard for children under 8. Adult supervision is required, and broken balloons should be discarded immediately. What we like. This option provides a stunning array of burgundy and pink balloons in various sizes, creating a full and organic look. The premium quality latex ensures durability. If you're aiming for a luxurious and cohesive color scheme for a romantic or celebratory event like a wedding or Valentine's Day, this kit is perfect. What people say. The balloons were easy to inflate and assemble, creating a beautiful arch. The kit included a variety of balloon sizes and colors, which added a festive touch to the party. The arch held up well throughout the event, even with some light wind. Number 3. VETOGETHER Adjustable Balloon Arch Stand Kit. This complete kit provides all the essential components, including poles, bases, feable bags, a balloon pump, and various accessories. It's perfect for all your DIY party decorations. Create a memorable atmosphere for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, holidays, and more. This arch is suitable for both indoor and outdoor celebrations. Easily set up or take down the arch in minutes with our clear instructions. You can also adjust its height and width to perfectly fit your space. Designed for durability, it features sturdy bases, feable bags for added weight, and secure ground anchors. It remains stable even in windy conditions. We are committed to providing high-quality party supplies and excellent customer service. Contact us with any questions for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a sturdy base and adjustable size for maximum flexibility. It comes with all the necessary accessories for a DIY setup. If you need a dependable and adaptable balloon arch for various celebrations, especially if you plan to use it outdoors, this is a solid option. What people say. The balloons are of good quality and do not pop easily. The arch is sturdy and holds its shape well. It is easy to assemble and comes with all the necessary tools. Number 2. PartyWoo Dusty Rose Balloon Arch Kit. Create a stunning focal point for your celebration with this elegant balloon arch kit. It features a beautiful palette of dusty rose, pink, and rose gold tones. This comprehensive kit includes 140 pieces in various sizes, from large 18-inch balloons to delicate 5-inch accents. You'll have everything you need to craft a magnificent display. No need to search for extra supplies. This kit comes with all the essential accessories, including balloon tape, glue dots, fishing line, and wall hooks, to easily assemble your garland. Fill them with air for a long-lasting decoration that stays full for up to 72 hours, or use helium for a lighter-than-air effect that lasts for hours. They are perfect for any occasion. Ideal for birthdays, bridal showers, weddings, bachelorette parties, and more. These versatile balloons add a touch of sophistication to any event. Crafted for multiple uses, these balloons are a sustainable choice for your party decorations. Enjoy their beauty again and again. What we like. Featuring a beautiful dusty rose and rose gold color palette, this kit includes a large quantity of balloons in various sizes for a full garland. The components are reusable for future events. If you love a chic and feminine aesthetic for occasions like bridal showers or bachelorette parties, this kit will help you create a stunning backdrop. What people say. The balloons were easy to inflate and assemble, and the arch held its shape well throughout the event. The kit included a variety of balloon sizes and colors, which made it easy to create a professional-looking balloon arch. The included balloon tape and glue dots were very helpful in securing the balloons and ensuring a full, cohesive look. Number 1. Netural Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Elevate your celebrations with our premium balloon garland kit. It's designed to bring a touch of elegance and fun to any event, making it truly memorable. This kit provides an abundant supply of balloons in various beautiful nude and tan shades. You'll have more than enough to craft a spectacular, eye-catching balloon arch or garland for a larger party scene. Crafted from durable, safe latex, these balloons are built to last. They are suitable for both air and helium inflation, ensuring a vibrant and long-lasting decoration. Setting up your dream balloon arch is simple with the included accessories. You can easily combine different colors and sizes to achieve your desired look in no time. Perfect for a wide range of events including birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and bridal parties. Add a unique and sophisticated flair to any celebration with these versatile decorations. Remember to inflate balloons to your desired size, avoiding overinflation. For any questions or assistance, our support team is readily available to help you create the perfect party atmosphere. What we like. This kit stands out with its unique double-stuffed balloons in a sophisticated neutral and boho color scheme, offering a rich and layered look. It's designed for easy assembly, making it simple to create a dazzling party centerpiece. If you're aiming for a trendy, earthy, or minimalist vibe for events like baby showers or gender reveals, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons were good quality and did not pop easily. The arch was easy to assemble and looked great for the party. It came with plenty of balloons in various sizes and colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.